Hi, I got this new keyboard from Lenovo. Is the ThinkPad TrackPoint 2 keyboard, and I just thought I would make a review of it. So it's a ThinkPad series keyboard, so it has the TrackPoint, the classic TrackPoint, and the buttons over here for you to essentially left click and right click and the scroll thing. So it's a okayish laptop. I don't sorry, not okayish laptop, okayish keyboard. I I am not satisfied with my purchase, even though I didn't have to spend much on it. I got it for $100, 100 Canadian dollars on a deal, but I'm not still satisfied. For some reason, the track point on this is a bit too stiff for some reason. So my hand is having a lot of fatigue, essentially trying to move around. So I am having a hard time with this because I am moving on from my IBM SK8845 to this new keyboard. So I'm moving on because of my track point as well. It's just that over the years of use, it has gone bad, and now it's starting to have a mind of its own and a bit of a issue around when I need to use it, but still manageable. But this one essentially gives me fatigue when using it, so I'm not sure if I want to keep this keyboard. Though I did talk to Lenovo, and they were like, okay, this could be an issue with the batch, so we would send you a new replacement and probably try it with the new replacement and check how it feels, and probably then make a decision of whether to get the refund or not, which is a reasonable decision, which is a reasonable suggestion from Lenovo. And I did go ahead with that, and I'm just sorry, not hoping, I'm waiting for the new replacement to arrive. But until then, my feedback is I just don't like it. The keys are a bit weird compared to my normal ThinkPad laptop, and the track point is disappointing. So I just feel like, I mean, because I have to essentially move on from my IBM to this one, right? Because I'm essentially trying to get an upgrade or a upgrade of a thing. So for me, it has to be on the same level or a bit better for me to essentially say, okay, this was a good opportunity cost to replace it. So but I don't seem to like it at all. So yeah, I'm just disappointed with this. So that's about it from my review on this one. And in regards to typing experience, it is the regular typing experience which you have with a ThinkPad laptop, but the chiclet on this one feels a bit too stiff compared to my ThinkPad laptop. For some reason, it is much more comfortable to type on my laptop than this. I just don't know. Probably could be my hands are essentially having a new experience, kind of a thing, like a new feedback, new kind of sensation, and could be that this is a new keyboard. Probably could be that is the keys still are essentially getting like weared in right now, so wherein they need some keystroke pressing on them before they essentially become normal and act normally. That could be it. But yeah, currently it's just a bad investment to buy this keyboard for me. So I thought might as well put my feedback onto the internet. So that's about it, people. I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.